our Trader Rundown. Joining me now is Alan Knuckman of Trading Advantage. Always a pleasure to have you on the show.
Angie.
You know that. Great to have you here. Let's talk about this overall market. We had a nice rally to start the week.
Right.
Where do we go from here?
Well, we built on the gains from last week, which was very important after we had that bottom. That's kind of how markets put in a low, is they test their previous lows and then they bounce back. So we're still within a sideways trading range. The S&P needs to push up a little bit more to break out of this action that we've been in for the last month and a half, but things are looking much more encouraging.
Now, you know the conspiracy theory here. This is true. Some people think because Hillary Clinton is starting to move up here and Bernie Sanders is moving down, not a fan of Wall Street clearly,
Right.
and then Donald Trump coming in on top as well. These are market movers. What
I
do you
think
think?
it's all beyond ridiculous, just to put it politely. Donald Trump is not going to have a positive impact on the market with his isolationist policies. That's not going to help out stocks. So the answer is no. The markets are moving higher because people are finding a little bit of relief in the concerns that they've had in the past months over China and over Europe. Europe had a big bounce back last week as well.
All right, well, I don't think he'll be calling the show, but I'm sure there's a lot of fans out there who like him very much. You cannot discount what he's doing out there. All right, let's take a look at some individual stock plays that you have, starting with Pfizer. What's going on with Pfizer?
Well, I'm looking at the healthcare sector in general. It had a big run up. It doubled from 2013 to 2015. So it's had a big run up and a pullback. So it's about 15% off its highs. So an individual stock that is a large part of the healthcare sector is Pfizer. Pfizer has been bouncing around these lows on 28 for 3 years. It's formed this base, and now it's come back to that point once again. So I'm leaning on a support level, so it's a risk-reward play, leaning on that 28. We're trading about 30 right now in Pfizer. 32 is the midpoint, and 36 was last year's high. So we've got some nice upside potential.
Well, a lot of people are saying, too, with some of the drug stocks, they are likely to go higher. We already
Right.
saw the insurance rally yesterday. So will this bleed into Pfizer as well?
Well, that's my thinking, that there was the unwind, a much-needed correction and a pullback, and then people are going to find value here. But I think, again, as part of the rotation into the Dow stocks, these Dow stocks aren't as shiny, as exciting as some of the others, but people are starting to recognize with solid PEs that they're going to recover nicely if the market does move back. The Dow is only down, ready, 5%. All right, all of this, and we're down 5% in 2016.
So basically, if you took a nap and you just woke up,
it's not that easy.
it's not
but right.
that bad. You missed
Right.
a lot of drama in the market.
Exactly.
Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.